Welcome to Tooltech Geek. This is a multi-tool and headlamp combo that I got from Basspro shops. It was at a very budget-friendly price of about $20, I think it's $19.97. So I want to see what this multi-tool looks like. I tried to find reviews on YouTube, did a quick search. There's no reviews, so I decided to make one. Not review, maybe your first impressions, if you wish. Another thing is, in their website, it says it's new, so they don't even have customer reviews. So perhaps this is truly a new multi-tool. So we are gonna take a first look, and it comes with this headlamp, which we're gonna look at, and also it has a holster. Let's see what we can get to this package. I was surprised by the price, getting two things for $20. My expectations are pretty low at this point, but maybe it's not. So here's the 17-in-1 multi-tool, and something interesting, it's a titanium coated handle. Titanium coated, so sounds pretty sophisticated. And then this lamp, it kind of looks like a GoPro camera. I don't know if it comes already. Supposedly comes with the batteries. This looks a little bit like a dollar store type of light. It works as a red light, different modes, here a strobe. So looks like a working headlamp. I always misplace these lights, so it's very good to have lots of them around. And the holster has two-way belt clip nylon with a snap. Comes with a manual for the flashlight. Well, it says combo, but it has mostly headlamp instructions. It has the specifications such as the all the time on and such. So let's see, lumens, 250 in high, 125 medium, 25 low, 6 hours, 18 hours, 48 hours. I like that 48-hour duration. Some kind of emergency, that would be handy to survive without access to batteries or such. Okay, so I was more interested in the multi-tool, so let's take a look, see what it looks like. So the titanium coated handles, they have like a gray, like a matte finish. Splices are spring-loaded, and the cutters looks like they're of a different material, and then they are riveted to the pliers. Here, well aligned. It's got a pocket clip, which that's always a plus. Now from the outside it looks like a wave clone of some sort. I think the interior tools are a little different. So let's see, this is a saw. It has a frame lock. Here is a combination of ruler, this, and potentially a flathead screwdriver. Here there is this file, and that's it. There is no serrations on the side, so it's a file, not too deep in the cut. But let's remember this is a $20 tool, including the flashlight. So all these locks work pretty well. So this is two long tools so far. Good locking. Let's see on the other side. This is a blade. Also locking. This is all kind of packed with oil. Let's see what's in this side. Oh, scissors. They are pretty large in size. Don't know if these are the strongest scissors in the world, but they seem to work somewhat. Good luck too. Now there's other small interior, exterior tools. So all these are accessible when the pliers are folded. Then we have 3 plus 3. We have 6 more tools. See what they are. This is some kind of small V, like sharp V, probably like a package opener, I would think. Then can opener with small flathead screwdriver. All these tools are pretty thick, which is kind of nice. And they don't have locks, but there's a spring that's pretty strong actually, so it could be useful. Can opener. Let's see this third tool here. Bottle opener and flathead. Looks pretty robust actually. I'm liking this. It's pretty thick metal you're getting for only $20. See the other side. There's a trick to open this. Okay, this is a sort of all reamer, so it's pointy with a very sharp edge. So this for sure will make holes or enlarge them. So let's go down all. And then this is another type of hook, kind of like a gut hook. Also could use as a package opener. Let's see the last of these tools. It's a very two-dimensional Phillips screwdriver. Can do a quick test of the Phillips. Okay, can engage, it's large. Phillips smaller one too, no problem. Go smaller. Yes, I think even that size that's probably not supposed to work with, but it does. So I have high hopes for that Philips, but it's to be useful. For a super tiny one, doesn't. So that's what we have. Very snappy springs. They have also a 90-degree stop. Potentially you could use that to give a little extra torque to the screwdriver. Here is the grease. So this looks a better finish than what I expected, truly. And then the handles are titanium coated according to the box. Possibly the material is a very generic steel. Still, I'm a little bit impressed with the tool. Everything there's no obvious defects, like sometimes those locks don't work. In this case it does. The file, I suppose, it has a bit of bite to it, not tremendously, but some. This will be a very long reach flathead. Let's see the saw, how much it cuts. Cuts pretty good. Wow, it's pretty long too. So there you have it. This is a Pursuit budget multi-tool from Cabela's and Basspro shop. Has 4 large tools, accessible from the outside, very much like a wave clone of some sorts. They are plated, so it's a finish that some people prefer, some don't. I got more used to this matte finish of the clones, but this is a pretty solid flathead. I think you could almost use this as a pry bar, if it's not a blasphemy. But being so thick, I think you can some serious driving here. So wow. Well, we'll have to take a closer look to this tool, but my first impression is pretty impressive. It's got a clip. It's got a lot of positives. It's a bit on the heavy side, I would think, but it is pretty competitively priced, and kind of like it. Not sure what will be the tool that is comparable to this one, because it doesn't have a replaceable bit drive or anything. It has some very basic 2D Phillips, but I guess that way they were able to put more of these side tools and make them pretty thick, so that could be very durable, possibly. Have to see how it pans out. This rounded handles here, pretty comfortable. It is full of oil. So yes, this is the Pursuit that comes with also a headlamp, very competitively priced. Cabela's Basspro shops. Thank you for watching.